Hi guys, welcome back to my video. So as you can see, I've cut my hair really short and today I'm going to show you how you can style your short hair using a flat iron. And one more thing, I always clean my hair iron before using it. It's better to do that. So this is a Philips hair straightener. It's a very thin one. It helps you style better. So let's begin. I'm gonna section my hair now in two parts and I'm gonna start with the front. Now you need to hold your iron like this, and to give it a bounce I always tend to stretch my hair upwards like this using my hands. It gives a nice bounce to your hair. Bounce to it by ironing the top part of the hair, because ironing mostly makes your hair look a little flat. So the trick is, don't forget to iron the top part of the hair, like so. My hair is so wavy, it takes ages to iron. Doing is, I'm not ironing my hair straight. I'm trying to curl the ends inwards. It gives a very chic look and is not poker straight. So see, it gives a nice bounce at the ends. And I'm moving to the other side. I wanted to be here by my side. Again, to add a bounce to the top section, I'm going to start ironing from the very top of the head. I'm going to start ironing right from the start. As you can see, it adds a nice bounce to your hair. I wanna show you the wonders of the universe, girl. Take my hand and you will see. We've got just one life, baby. And guess we're done. So that's how I style my lob. Lob is a long bob, and yeah. Sometimes I also do a middle parting. And most of the times I do a side parting. Exploring hidden caves or surfing waves into the night on the beaches of Hawaii. So it's so simple and easy. You can also add curls to your hair using a flat iron, and for that, sipping on tequila, anything you want to see, either in a heartbeat. Just say the words and we just need to do something like that. We've got
take it one day at a time.
Also, my next video is going to be a song cover, so please subscribe to stay tuned. Bye.
Drop it down.